Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. Thanks so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. I just came real fast to show you a little trick I done learned, okay? I say every time I get a chance, I'm gonna come and share with y'all. Do I gotta repeat myself? Yes, I do. But anyway, listen here, okay? Now, I just want to know, I'm gonna ask y'all a question. Is anybody out there just as tired as soaking these nails off of these hands as me? Because guess what? I'm a yes. I'm so tired of sticking this little hand down in some acetone, girl. What about you? But check it out. Got a little alternative for you here. Okay? So I was just sitting up here one day. I said, you know what? Because I had did a video a while back showing y'all how to do this with these little practice little things here. I'm going to show you. With these little practice fingers here. I did a video. Y'all slept on that video. I know you did. I know you did because I can tell by my views. Ain't nobody been watching that video. But I'm going to come and show you on this here hand. Now look here. You can save these little fingers without soaking these nails off these hands just as well as you can these practice fingers here. Now I'm going to put that video to this here up in the little thing. Then you go check that one out if you want to see how you soak them off that there. You can also, in fact, if you're running low on buying these here little brown things here, these little pop-off things, say like this, you tired of buying these little pop-off things here, girl, you can do the same thing on these here, just to save your little brown little pop-off things. That's all I'm saying. And I'm going to show you how you do that there. Okay, I already did this here. I did my pinky finger here, okay? And I did this here one as well. But I'm going to show you how I apply it to this. Now, these are nail tips on my practice hand, all right? And what I did was, I took me this is what you call a dual form. Okay, now you can buy these dual forms. I bought these dual forms over 4 years ago off of whatever site. I don't know. It's been over 4 years ago. I apologize for that. But you can go on eBay, AliExpress, Amazon, anywhere and find you some dual forms. Now, dual forms come in all shapes and sizes and different looks to them and everything, whatever have you. But this here dual form right here is just regular clear. And these are the ones that I prefer to use, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I did. Took me a file and I kind of went across the nail bed ever so lightly like that. Okay, it's just so the glue can adhere to the nail bed. Okay, I said I'm not gonna keep on using my acetone to stick this little hand down there. I'm just tired of that. I'm just so tired of it. And I took me a dual form and I got me some glue. Let me go ahead and glue my dual form down. Now, I reckon you should use some very strong glue to glue your dual form down, because you want your dual form to stay on your nail tip and not come up. So I put a nice little amount of glue on top of that nail there, and I put my dual form on it like that, okay? And I stick this sucker on there real nicely and let it dry. All right? Ooh. Now this is what I use for that glue. I use 2 different glues, okay? And I'm going to tell you why I use 2 different glues. I use this glue here to glue my dual form down because this is a very, very strong glue, okay? And when I get ready to pop my nail off, I don't want my dual form to pop off into the nail. But if that is the case, then you can also take your dual form back out the nail and put it back on your tip. But who got time for all that? Not I, said I. Anywho, check it out. I'm going to use this here brush on glue right here to add my tip. But before we do this here, I'm going to show you what I'm about to do here. Now I'm going to add me some, let me get me some scissors. I should have had all this here ready. I apologize for that. But I did not have things ready here. Okay, I was just testing on my tip there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut this dual form about to the same length as that nail tip there, okay? Stuff flying everywhere, but you know, hey, that's what's going to happen when you working in a nail, you know, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And then I'm going to file this here down to the nail tip, okay? So it can get just as even as that nail tip. Alright? Now what I'm going to do is, after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna glue me a tip. I'm gonna buff this just a little bit as well. Okay, I'm gonna buff this just a little bit on top, the dual form here. Okay, and the reason I want to do this here so my tip and my glue can stick to this dual form pretty good here. I don't want to buff it too much because, yeah. All right, let me find me a tip. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna go in with a. Hold on, y'all. I apologize for this here. I should have been so well prepared, but I'm not. I got these tips off of AliExpress. These are the McCart nail tips, okay? Just in case anyone was wondering. This here one is a number 4. I might have to try a number 5. Let's see a number 5. Because this one is a tad bit too big. But even if that is the case, I probably can just like cut it down on the tips there. But we're going to try number 5 and see what that do. Okay, number 5 is perfect for the ring finger here, okay? So now what I'm going to do is, the reason I say I use 2 different glues is because this here glue is not that strong. It's not that, I mean, it's okay glue, but it don't stick nowhere near good as this here glue here. This glue right here is like, oh girl, woof. Anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this here glue to the nail like that, to the nail tip. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on there. Now you can put the glue on the tip and stick your nail tip on there. It's just something I was just doing to just stick it on there. Now you got some folks, that ain't how you add a nail tip, child. I tell you, boy, y'all something else, boy. Y'all be coming at folks. I be reading people comments like, whoa. I be like, oh my goodness, there's some cold-hearted folks out here. But you know, that's the way of the world is. I'm used to it, so. But yeah. Anywho, so I'm gonna stick that on there like that. See, my tip is on top of the dual form, and I'm gonna let that dry. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to, like I say, I glued on some nail tips on this here practice hand. I glued them on, and I glued. Okay, well, yeah, I glued some nail tips on. If your practice hand already had nail tips on it, then you're fine, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find me some liquid wet, and I'm going to show you how this here works. Let's find some liquid. I'll be right back. All right, I got me some liquid. Now I'm going to go in and just go ahead and put a design on this nail real fast so I can show y'all what I'm talking about here. Okay, now I'm going in. I'm not gonna go into discussing what all I'm using here, so if you want to know, you can ask me and I put it down in the description for you, whatever I have. And my application will not be perfect. I am not a professional. I'm just showing y'all some little tricks I learned here. So Miss Reese don't need nobody trying to come for her, okay? Y'all some little smart mouth little things out there, boy. I noticed that. Anyway, check it out. Just showing you a little design here. That's all I'm doing. I'm not here trying to show you how to do no nails. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to encapsulate this here nail. Hidden cameras. Hold on. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna top coat it with this here. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm about to show y'all what I'm talking about here, okay? So now once you do all of that, okay, and you just take your nail here and you just hold on to it and you wiggle it and you pop it straight off like layer, okay? And look here. No more soaking, no more fingers, okay? Not over here. That's what we're not going to do. We're not going to put this hand back in nobody's acetone no more. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. Okay, see now? I still have my dual form on here. See, look at that. Now you got a perfect little nail there, okay? And you take your little nail and you store it on the way. Take it and put it up, girl. And start all over. No more soaking no more nails. Quit soaking them practice hands. Quit soaking those practice hands. Okay, y'all? So that's what I came up with. Alright? And that's the quick and easy way you do that there. Alright, if y'all like this video, y'all give it a thumbs up. You got any questions, go ahead, leave them on down in that comment box below. But like I say, you know, this here is an excellent idea. Now I can just keep on going in and in and in and doing a whole nother other set on this child's hand and don't have to worry about soaking her no more. Alright, y'all, that's my time. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I told you, every time I try and come up with some little tricks, I'm going to come and share them with y'all any way we can, alright? See, and that cuts off buying all that acetone, and it's a way of saving some cointages. No more soaking these hands, alright? You don't have to be doing all that if you don't want to do all that. If you continue to waste all your acetone soaking these nails off, then go ahead. By all means, go ahead. But this here is a great alternative for me, okay? Alright? So again, I say, y'all let me know what y'all think about this little video. If you like it, gonna give a sister a thumbs up. If you don't, you can thumbs down. Ain't nobody gonna see it but you. That's my time, y'all. I'm gonna go get out of here. I'm about to get ready to do my nails, okay? We're gonna come on camera. I'm gonna do my nails for y'all. Alright? Alright, y'all, in a minute.